Wait! Are you eating something before bed that's secretly ruining your muscle gains and wrecking your sleep? What if that late-night snack is actually blocking your progress without you even realizing it? In the next few minutes, I'm going to reveal the one food you should never eat before bedtime if you want to build muscle and sleep deeply. Trust me, this could change your fitness journey forever. Stay tuned, because avoiding this could be the game changer you've been missing. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more powerful tips that transform your health and performance. Part 1. The surprising culprit. What are you eating before bed? You might think that grabbing a quick snack before bed is harmless, or even helpful if you're trying to build muscle or stay energized. But what if I told you that one of the most common late-night snacks could actually be sabotaging your muscle growth and stealing away your restful sleep? Sounds crazy, right? Yet, many people unknowingly eat this innocent food every night, thinking they're doing their body a favor. The truth? It's doing the exact opposite. Before we dive into the science, think for a moment, what's your go-to bedtime snack? Is it something sugary, heavy, or maybe even high in protein? You might be surprised how many people reach for that popular comfort food, believing it will help them relax and recharge. But have you ever wondered how exactly that snack affects your body's natural repair process during sleep? This question is crucial because muscle growth and quality sleep are deeply interconnected, and the food you eat right before bed can tip the balance, for better or worse. So, what is this sneaky culprit? It's none other than simple, high-glycemic carbs or sugary snacks consumed right before you hit the pillow. Think candy bars, sugary cereals, sweetened drinks, or even some fruit juices. These foods cause your blood sugar to spike rapidly, which triggers a cascade of hormonal responses that don't favor muscle recovery or deep sleep. You see, when your blood sugar shoots up, your body releases insulin to help manage it. While insulin is important for muscle repair during the day, at night this spike can disrupt your natural growth hormone release. Growth hormone is like your body's night shift muscle builder. It helps repair damaged muscle fibers and promotes recovery while you rest. Here's the catch: if you're eating sugary or carb-heavy foods before bed, you're telling your body to focus on managing that sudden sugar surge instead of focusing on muscle repair. That means you're literally blocking your muscle building progress. What's worse, the insulin spike can interfere with your sleep cycles, leading to restless nights or lighter, less restorative sleep. And we all know how vital good sleep is for fitness, recovery, and overall health. But here's a question to ponder. Have you ever noticed that after a sugary snack at night, you either wake up feeling groggy or don't get enough deep, restful sleep? If so, that's no coincidence. Your body is struggling to balance the sugar overload and muscle recovery all at once. This connection might explain why, despite working out hard and eating enough protein, some people still struggle to build muscle or feel tired all the time. So, the takeaway here is simple yet powerful: not all snacks are created equal, especially before bed. While you might think a little sugar won't hurt, the timing and type of food you consume are crucial. Late-night sugary snacks might feel comforting, but they could be the hidden reason your muscles aren't growing as fast as you want and why you're tossing and turning instead of sleeping like a baby. The next step holds something you definitely don't want to miss, because I'm going to share exactly how this food disrupts your body's natural muscle building and sleep rhythms in Part 2. You'll learn the science behind why this snack is the enemy of your fitness goals and what's really happening inside your body while you sleep. Stick around, because the information coming up next could completely change how you think about your nighttime routine and your gains. Part 2. How this food blocks muscle growth, impairs sleep. Now that we know the surprising culprit, those sugary, high-carb snacks before bed, it's time to dig deeper into how exactly this seemingly innocent habit can derail your muscle gains and disrupt your sleep. The connection might not be obvious at first, but once you understand what's happening inside your body, you'll see why avoiding this late-night food is so crucial. When you eat a sugary snack before bed, your blood sugar levels spike quickly. This causes your pancreas to release insulin, a hormone responsible for shuttling sugar from your bloodstream into your cells for energy or storage. Insulin plays an important role during the day by helping muscle cells absorb nutrients needed for repair and growth. However, at night, when your body is supposed to be focused on rest and recovery, this sudden insulin surge can throw everything off balance. Here's the key: your body releases growth hormone primarily during deep sleep. Growth hormone is essential for muscle repair, fat burning, and overall recovery. But elevated insulin levels inhibit the release of growth hormone. So, when you consume sugary foods before bed, you essentially tell your body to prioritize managing blood sugar over releasing growth hormone, a direct hit to your muscle building process. Imagine working out hard all week, eating clean during the day, but then unknowingly eating a candy bar or sweet snack before sleep that slows down muscle repair. How frustrating would that be? This isn't just about muscle, it's also about quality sleep. Elevated insulin and fluctuating blood sugar levels can lead to restlessness, causing you to wake up multiple times or miss out on those crucial deep sleep cycles. Without deep sleep, your body's ability to repair muscles and consolidate memory and learning suffers. It's like trying to run a marathon on zero rest. Here's a question for you: have you ever tracked how your sleep quality changes based on what you eat at night? If not, it might be time to start. You might find that cutting out sugary snacks before bed could improve not just your muscle gains but also your energy and focus during the day. This simple change could be the missing link in your fitness journey, and moreover, the digestive system has its own role to play. Sugary and carb-heavy snacks can cause your stomach to work overtime when it should be winding down. This can lead to discomfort or acid reflux, further disrupting your sleep. Plus, sugar can cause inflammation in the body, which can slow down muscle recovery. Chronic inflammation is one of the hidden obstacles that many overlook in their pursuit of gains. Now, this might leave you wondering, if sugary snacks are off the table, what exactly should you eat to optimize both muscle growth and sleep? And how can you build a nighttime routine that supports your body's natural rhythms? The next step holds something you definitely don't want to miss, because I'm going to share the best alternatives to fuel your muscles while ensuring you get the restful sleep your body craves. Remember, building muscle isn't just about lifting heavy weights or eating enough protein during the day. It's about supporting your body 24/7, especially when you're asleep. So before you reach for that late-night treat, think about what it's really doing inside your body. Is it helping you build muscle and rest deeply, or is it holding you back? Part 3. What to eat instead for better gains. Rest. After uncovering the hidden dangers of sugary snacks before bed and understanding how they block muscle growth and disrupt your sleep, you're probably wondering, what should I eat instead? The good news is, there are plenty of smart, delicious alternatives that not only fuel your muscles but also promote deep, restorative sleep, helping you wake up refreshed and ready to conquer your day. First, let's think about the qualities your ideal bedtime snack should have. It needs to be light enough so it doesn't overload your digestive system, rich in nutrients that support muscle repair, and capable of stabilizing blood sugar to prevent those harmful spikes we talked about earlier. Most importantly, it should encourage the release of growth hormone and help your brain and body relax. Protein plays a starring role here. Casein protein, for example, is a slow-digesting protein found in dairy products like cottage cheese or Greek yogurt. Eating a small serving of casein before bed provides your muscles with a steady stream of amino acids throughout the night, which supports repair and growth while you sleep. Unlike sugary snacks, casein doesn't cause a big insulin spike, so it won't interfere with your body's natural hormone cycles. But what about carbs? While sugary carbs are a no-go, complex carbohydrates can actually be beneficial when paired correctly. Foods like oatmeal or a small sweet potato contain fiber and digest slowly, providing steady energy without causing sharp blood sugar fluctuations. When combined with protein, these slow-digesting carbs can support your recovery and improve sleep quality. And don't forget about healthy fats. A handful of nuts or a small amount of nut butter can be great additions, as fats help keep you full and support hormone production. Just be careful not to overdo it. Too much fat before bed can slow digestion and cause discomfort. Here's a question to consider. Have you ever tried tracking how your body responds to different bedtime snacks? Maybe you noticed that some foods help you fall asleep faster or wake up feeling more energized. Understanding your body's unique responses can be a game changer in optimizing your nutrition and sleep. In addition to choosing the right foods, your nighttime routine matters. Try to eat your last meal or snack at least 30 to 60 minutes before bed. This gives your body time to start digestion without rushing, reducing the chances of discomfort or disrupted sleep. Pair your meal with relaxing habits like dimming the lights or avoiding screens, which help signal your brain to wind down. Hydration is another important factor. Drinking too much liquid right before bed can cause frequent trips to the bathroom, interrupting your sleep. Sip water throughout the evening instead of loading up right before lights out. Remember, the goal isn't just to avoid the bad foods but to replace them with better options that actively support your body's recovery process. Your muscles grow when you sleep, and the right nutrients ensure that growth happens efficiently. It's a small shift in your evening habits that can lead to huge results. So, are you ready to take control of your bedtime nutrition and maximize your gains? What simple change can you make tonight to improve both your muscle growth and sleep quality? The next step holds something you definitely don't want to miss: a straightforward plan and snack ideas that make this transition easy and enjoyable. With the right knowledge and choices, you can transform your nighttime routine from a hidden obstacle into a powerful ally for your fitness journey. Say goodbye to disrupted sleep and blocked muscle growth. And hello to stronger, healthier, more rested you. Conclusion: thanks so much for watching. If you found even a little bit of value in this video, whether it's learning what to avoid before bed or discovering better snack options, please drop your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear about your experiences with late-night eating and how it's affected your sleep or muscle growth. Have you noticed any changes after adjusting your snacks? Sharing your story could help others in the community, too. And if you want more tips like this, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated with all the best health and fitness advice. Your feedback means the world and keeps this channel growing, so let me know what you think.